How to turn on advanced chat privacy on WhatsApp and what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on advanced chat privacy on WhatsApp and what it actually means. Basically, what you first have to do is open WhatsApp, and then from there, you want to go to the chat where you want to turn on your advanced chat privacy. So I'll just go over to this group, tap on the group icon at the top. From there, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and under chat log, you have advanced chat privacy. Tap on that. So what it basically does is you can log the chat and hide the chat. So you can log individual chat with fingerprint or face ID, and even log chat with a separate log chat folder that will be hidden in the main chat list when it's unlocked. And when you turn this option on, people in the chat can't save the media to their device gallery. They can use AI features like mentioning meta AI or summarizing unread messages. They can't also export the chats. It will also turn on the screenshot blocking and link protection. So for the view once media, screenshot will be blocked and suspicious links are automatically flagged before opening. So these are some of the perks of turning on advanced chat privacy. Basically just toggle this option on. Now you'll be good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified about latest updates. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.